investigating officer has kindly arranged that after the matter is adjourned, we'll just have a short period of time with a private office just to consult and get some further instructions. My learned friend is correct, confirm, not bringing a bail application at this stage. We have in fact adjourned the matter and due the date of 28th of October. And the reason for that is that we've been given certain documentation. We did provide a hard drive, but it goes into terabytes apparently. So my learned friend in the next few days, together with her team, will be making copies for us and downloading contents of the document. Apparently it's something like 65 gigabyte files, documentation. So everybody's on board. We're trying to speed up the procedure. In other words, to ensure that there's a fair and speedy trial in terms of provisions of Section 35 of the Constitution. So we've taken everything at the stage, I must say, has been really very accommodating and assisting us. The position is that Mr. Lomas has been kept at prison. I'm not going to disclose the actual name of the prison, but the state have been very, very accommodating, including the members of the corrective services. They've provided him with his own cell, and they've also in view of his medical condition, which I don't wish to go into at this stage. I think you wish to concede there's certain medical problems. They've taken him to the Baragwana Hospital, where he's been examined by neurosurgeons, and he's also scheduled to have MRI scans. So he says that from that point of view, they're getting to him very, very well. The only problem that he had, we wish just to place on record, this morning the showers were cold, there's now hot water. So he said, well, we can't deal with that, and I looked in the court, but I said, this time of the year, warm, hot weather, nothing wrong with a cold shower. So he says he'll accept the cold shower, it makes him fresh. In regards to certain medication, we can just make a note, Your Worship, on the J7. He takes certain medication, and the one medication that he needs, he brought the English equivalent. We've now got the South African equivalent, it's over the counter. So if we can just give Your Worship, we can just make a note on the J7, and we'll make arrangements to get the same and ensure that it's given to him. And he says further that the nurse that is at a particular prison where he's been kept has been giving him his daily medication, but they're running out. So we're going to just arrange for the medication. If you can just make a note on the J7, I'll give you the name of the medication. It's over-the-counter medication. The rest he's got, and the rest has been corrected. It's called MOVICOL, Movicol. So if you could just note that, please, on the J7, the body receipt, so at least when we provide it, and it says that the nurse that is at the particular facility has been assisting him since he's days for MRI scans and certain medical procedures, and obviously we'll be guided. We're not medical experts, we're not doctors. They'll tell the prisons what needs to be done with him, so you don't have to detain him at the hospital section. He says he's fine where he is.
The only endorsement you are requesting the court to make on the detention warrant is that the Movicol should be given to the medication.
To him, Jan. We'll go and get the Movicol because they don't have it at the prison. But as I say, fortunately it's an over-the-counter, and it relates to certain of his health conditions. The rest they are providing him with, and he's got the medication, so there's no problem with that. Thank you.
Thank you. Right, thank you, Mr. Lomas. Court postpones your matter until the 28th of October, back to this court, 8:30, for the disclosure of the case content to be provided to your legal team. Court will endorse the detention warrant that the medication called Movicol must be given to you by the nursing staff at the detention facility. Until then, you remain in custody. There is no bail fixed. Do you understand? Thank you.
Yes, court, please, thank you, Bishop. That is all that, I'm not sure if the court can adjourn. That is all that you have.
I will take an adjournment so we can just allow the media just to vacate the court with all their camera equipment, just to allow them an opportunity. Thank you. We'll adjourn.
De façon